Here are 5 skills I found this week on GitHub that are free that you should be using. 3 of these are all about video editing and using your CLI to manage and edit your videos and create content in your videos. Let's get into it. First one is hyperframes, and this is a lot like remotion, but instead of remotion using React to create videos, what hyperframes thought of is, why don't we make videos in HTML and render them with HTML? Agents know HTML a lot better. There's a lot more code on HTML for them to be trained on and learn from, so they will probably perform better to create videos than they will using React and remotion. Fun fact, all of these videos are made with hyperframes. Number 2 is design MD Chrome. Now this isn't actually a skill you run in the CLI. This is an extension in Chrome that essentially says if you want to look at a website and say, I'd like to mimic that, or I'd like to build that in my own website, this gives you that ability. So what it does is it will distill a website into a markdown file as an extension in Chrome that you can just click on, copy and paste, and give it to your CLI and tell it to update your website, build a new website, or create features based on how this website's rendered. The next one is video use, and this is a 100% agentic CLI video editor tool that doesn't watch your videos, it reads them. So it leverages the transcript and all the underlying data of your video to create edits, cut filler words. It adds fades to each cut, and it even will spin up parallel agents to use remotion or probably hyperframes to make video edits and video overlays. The other one is freecut. This is a local run tool that runs on your CLI and spins up a browser instance. It's essentially like a Premiere or a Final Cut competitor that's free, runs in Chrome, and lets you edit videos in your browser. Last one solves the problem of having skills scattered across multiple CLIs, multiple agents, across multiple teams. It's called Skillshare. With one command, it will scan skills for safety, it will upload them to one Git directory, and allow teams to leverage all the skills from any Git host. So it's essentially just a repo, a mini repo inside your team where everyone can dump their skills and it will kind of sync them across your team. Also great for tweaking, editing, and improving skills that you're using in one CLI, and if you want to jump to another CLI, it brings them across all of those. Hit follow and keep up with me for next week when I give you 5 more GitHub repos I found.